sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole, and yes, it is me. I have been off this week. Actually, I was on vacation and I got sick. So me and my husband both are homesick. Merry Christmas to us. So what I had decided to do was start taking down all my Christmas decor slowly so I can just take my time and relax and kind of get my mind around how I want to take it down. So I don't know if y'all were raised like me, but my grandmother was a stickler that all your Christmas decor and Christmas trees, of course that's Christmas decor, had to be down and put up by New Year's. So I've always really strived to do that for my grandmother. So anyway, what I was going to tell you all is that I try to group all my things together. Now, I'm a little hodgepodge right now, but let me just kind of give you the gist of it. So these types of Santa Clauses I put in the closets. I put these in the tops of closets. This alleviates the issue of possibly breaking one of them. It's just, you know, with us not having any children at home, it's just so easy to use the top of one of our closets for all my Santa Clauses. And I do have quite a few. Yes. Now this type here, I do put them in a tote. The cloth looking ones, I do put them in a tote. And the reason I do is because I can fluff those out every year and kind of get them back. And I put everything in like pieces, I guess you would say. So I will know, okay, if I get this tote out, it's going to have all of these types of Santa Clauses. And let me just kind of go around. I don't put this one out in storage. This is a very old one. This was my mom and daddy's when I was a little girl. So my mother gave that to me, so it stays in the house because I don't want it messed up. And so there are certain ones that I do not put outside for that particular reason. But now these, I do put them in a tote, like I said, put them out in the garage, and they are just fine. But now I group all my stuff together, be it greenery, wreaths, and I put them in a tote together. And that keeps me straight on what is in what box, what is in what tote. But this year I have decided that I want to decorate with you all for winter. Now, I've never done that in any home that we've ever had. So this will be the first time in our new to us home. Now, I won't use any kind of garland that has like the ice on it, I don't think, or, you know, glittery. I just want green garland, and I'm going to leave that out to use. Now, I may have some that has a little bit of ice, but not like, I'm not particularly, I don't want any red is what I'm getting at. So I do want pine cones. I do want greenery. I want to use my deer antlers. Y'all know that's one thing I really, really love. And nature. So let me kind of give you an idea of what I am going to decorate with. I've been playing with my Hutch today. I got some new pieces in today that I thrifted, and I want to share that with you all. But I wanted to show you how I put my stuff up. So all of this will go in separate totes. All my Christmas trees will go in one tote. All my Christmas garland will go in one tote, or Christmas picks. Excuse me. Christmas picks will go in one tote. All my Santa Clauses, not these particular Santa Clauses, but these will go in a tote together. So I try to keep all of that separated to make it easier for next year when I go to decide how I'm going to decorate. So this is my Christmas closet. This is in the red, white, and blue room. But I do put my willow nativities in the top, and I do kind of mix in some of my Santa Clauses in here, just a little here and there, not on top of boxes, but I do put them in that area. And then these totes over here, and I'm just letting y'all be just as all up in my business. But I'm being real with you guys. These are the totes that I showed y'all when we started organizing everything to decide on how I wanted to do Christmas this year. But these are the totes that I put all of my ornaments in. I do not leave my ornaments outside. So these will have all the trees in them. Hopefully I can fit all of the ornaments, you know, from one tree in one particular tote. But if not, that's fine, because I redo my trees every year. So that's how I store my stuff, guys. This is the hutch that I have been playing with. Yes, I did take my doors off. I have painted the top, and if you saw my tour, you probably saw that I have painted the top, but I have yet to paint the bottom. But I do intend on painting it white. And you see this piece of wood here. I'm going to take this wood, and I am going to use it. I'm going to put one here, there, and there. I wanted it more woodsy. I wanted it where you could see into my hutch. You never could see into my hutch with the glass on the front, but please don't get upset. I am going to use my doors in another project, so I'm not the one that just lets them go away. I am repurposing and reusing. So, but this is the look. I wanted to kind of gather this up and give y'all a look of how I want to decorate the whole house. Now you can see I did use greenery here. So I'm using greenery and pine cones. You know, I love my blue and white, so I will use that, but a lot of creams and woods. I will use birch in the living room, but this is the look, and I'll even show you up top. This is the look. You see, I've still got Christmas greenery up there, and I really do love that look. So I want to kind of keep it out to give me some filler and all for the, you know, cold months. So I thought that y'all would like to see this. I mean, gracious, look at that with that white. That is beautiful. So I really want to go with this throughout the whole house, and I thought y'all would be interested in kind of seeing a hodgepodge of my cabinet that I came up with of how I'm going to decorate for winter. I am super excited to share this with you all. I hate that I'm not feeling well, but I wanted to kind of get on here and show y'all what I have planned. And I thank y'all all for following me this year. It means the world to me. This YouTube has been such a blessing to me, and I'm just loving sharing our home with you all, and hopefully in the process giving you some inspiration on decorating your own home. So as I kind of pan out with our Christmas tree in the dining room, I wish each one of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see y'all, and we will get to decorating on my next video. Love y'all bunches.